There's a car that wasn't supposed to be radical. This car have no crazy doors, no risk designs, no over-the-top innovation. And yet by 2023, the Model Y became the best-selling car on earth. Not just the best-selling EV, but the best-selling car. It even beat the legendary Toyota Corolla that had been king for decades. So how did the simplest Tesla become the most successful one? To understand this, we have to go back to a mistake. So before the Model Y, there was the Tesla Model X. On paper, it looked perfect. Falcon wing doors, futuristic design, cutting-edge tech. But in reality, it became a nightmare to build. Too many custom parts, too much complexity, too many delays. Even Elon Musk later admitted it. He called it a garbage egg. Beautiful but extremely fragile in production. That one car taught Tesla a brutal lesson. Complexity kills speed, and speed is everything. The idea of the Model Y was born as early as 2013, when Tesla patented the name to complete its S3XY lineup. So when Tesla started planning the Model Y, they wanted to go big again. New platform, futuristic features, even Falcon wing doors. But this time the engineers pushed back. They knew exactly what would happen. So they made a bold call, built the Model Y using the Tesla Model 3 platform. About 75% of its parts were shared. Faster production, lower costs, fewer problems. It wasn't flashy like the Model X, but it was genius. So in 2019, Tesla reviewed the Model Y, and people noticed something immediately. It looked like a bigger Model 3. No crazy features, no dramatic changes, just clean, simple and practical. Some people were even disappointed. Tesla wasn't trying to impress people this time. They were trying to build a car for the millions. But the real revolution wasn't what you could see. It was happening inside the factory. Tesla introduced something they called Giga Casting. So basically, traditional cars are built from 100 small metal parts, welded together piece by piece. But Tesla did something different. They used a massive machine to create one single solid structure, one piece instead of hundreds. So this meant fewer parts, fewer robots, faster production, stronger structure, and most importantly, it allowed Tesla to scale faster than any other car companies. Then came 2023. Something historic happened. The Tesla Model Y became the best-selling car in the world, beating the legendary Toyota Corolla on sales, a car that had dominated for decades. This wasn't just a win for Tesla, it was a shift in the entire industry. Electric cars were no longer the future, they had become the present. And now Tesla is evolving the Model Y again. Internally, it's called Project Juniper. This time the focus is different, not innovation for the sake of hype, but refined, a smoother suspension, a quieter ride, a cleaner interior, a new lighting design. It feels more premium, more complete, but the biggest changes are hidden underneath. The Model Y introduced something powerful, a structural battery pack. The battery isn't just inside the car anymore. It acts as the floor of the car, further reducing weight and increasing safety. This makes it lighter, stronger, and more stable. It uses the new 4680 battery cells, which store more energy and improve efficiency. And then there's the new Octovalve system, a smart thermal system that moves heat around the car. If one part of the car is hot and the other one is cold, it balances it automatically. This improves range, especially in cold weathers. The Model Y didn't win because it was the most exciting Tesla. It won because it learned from mistakes, from failure, from complexity. No unnecessary risk, just smart decision executed at scale. And sometimes that's all it takes to change the world. So guys, if you like stories like this, make sure to follow and subscribe so I can keep on making videos like this.